Yeah, as you can see, I've struck many different things here, all very useful. Going to see if the carpenter has no orders. I'll make him do more stuff. Some more beds, some more tables, and then I'm going to make him do barrels, and I will explain why later on. Now we can see this farm plot here is finished. And now for the first farm plot you want him to only make plump helmets. And one thing worth mentioning here is that when you first click this and you press plump helmets, and then you think you're finished, but you're not, because you have to make decisions on all the 4 seasons on the year. And I'm going to make plump helmets the whole year around. And now when I'm finished, he's going to take plump helmet seeds. He's going to put them here, and he's going to start farming. Put some more tables here. I have no tables, but I got chairs. And now beds. Like so. I have to say that the minerals found here in this area I've chosen are really good. Even though I chose minerals and metals everywhere, the ones I've found first is really good. Both hematite, magnetite and limonite is actually iron. Copper isn't that good, but since it's a cheap metal, I can use it in the beginning to make cheap stuff, and which I can sell, and I can use to increase the skill of my metal crafters. The next thing I probably want to find is some kind of flockstone. If you want to know about the metals and minerals and stuff, you probably want to go into Dwarf Fortress Wiki. Inside there you can find all the minerals, all the not minerals, why do I say minerals? All the metals, all the veins, all the ores, all the gems, all the types of stone, and everything like that, because there is a whole lot of them, and I know very few of them by head. Yes. Is there something else I need to do? Well, the next thing I want to do is build a still. And what is a still? A still is a workshop where the dwarf makes alcohol. It's a stillery. And alcohol is needed for all the dwarves, which I probably mentioned before, because the dwarves don't like to drink water, and if they don't get to drink alcohol for a long time, they get grumpy and work a lot worse, a lot slower, I think. And dwarves don't get drunk, which means they can drink alcohol all the time and there won't be a problem. So I'm going to build a distillery, and you do it in the same place where you build the carpentry. B for buildings, V for workshops, and I think it's actually L for still. Yeah, L. And I probably want to place the still somewhere like here, I think. Yeah. Maybe there. Not too far away from the farms, and not too far away from the stair in the middle either. I want to build it out of sandstone, because sandstone is a stone which isn't worth anything. And if I were to press Q now, you can see that it still isn't built yet. It's waiting for construction, and someone to build it has to have either brewing or plant gathering, and I got both. And you might have noticed that the dwarves mine a lot slower where the stone, and this is obviously because stone is a lot tougher material to hack through. But later on, as the dwarves gain skill in mining, they'll dig faster and faster. And also, as you can probably see here, there isn't stone left behind with all the digging. But as they level up, when they cut out the ores and the stone, they will leave behind stone first almost all the time, and then in the end all the time. And now in the beginning, it's not so important, I think, to have that they have low skill, except I wanted to dig quickly. But later on, if you find a valuable material and have very few of it, like if I were to say find a iron ore vein with hematite or magnetite or limonite, and I only have that vein, I probably want my mining dwarves with high skill only to dig in it. And I might show you how to do that later, but usually it isn't a problem. And now my still is done, and I want to add new task, and I want to brew a drink with B, like so. And now the farmer will sooner or later walk over here and try to brew a drink. But as you might see later on, it won't work. I will pause until we get there. Yes, as you can see now, it didn't work. If you were to go into the announcement, farmer cancels brew drink, needs empty food storage item. And what that means is that you need barrels, and you need pots or something like that that can contain a liquid to make to be able to brew. And in the beginning now, the easiest way to make a barrel is to make barrels through the wood, and you make it in the carpentry, and you make a task and you press V for barrel, not B. I don't know why, but that's how it is. So I'm going to make loads of barrels like this. I think the other easy way to make a liquid container is to make a stone craft workshop. Let's see if I find it here. Crafts Dwarf's workshop. And if you were to build one of those and have a stone crafter, you can make pots through stone. And now I will probably make some later. I can show you how to do it. This is also one of the reasons why it's good to have loads of wood in the beginning. Wood is good for several reasons. Like I probably mentioned before, beds and bins and barrels, and also you can use it for you can use it as a fuel, and also what was the last thing? Yes, also you want to have wood because of the water mills and axles and machinery if you're building those kinds of things, which I might get into later. We'll see. Let's see now. I'll make a few drinks here.